activated?
In Burlington and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware,
Yeah.
Lower Bucks, and Philadelphia.
The zone guard
West,
activated.
1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near
Wow.
shorelines and tidal waterways.
First time I ever saw a
Where
zone.
in New Jersey, Mercer, Gloucester,
For me,
Camden, and
first time I
northwestern
ever saw a
Burlington.
zone guard
In
activated.
Pennsylvania, Delaware, Philadelphia, and Lower Bucks. When? Until 7 p.m. Sunday.
Yeah,
Impacts at this
and
level,
Vista
widespread
100
roadway flooding
activated
occurs along
too.
tidal waterways. Some roads become impassable. Minor damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Take the necessary actions to protect
Next
flood-prone
property.
property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, issued at 4:10 p.m., Saturday, March 9th. Tonight, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots